Google Pixel 5a. So this mobile comes with a lot of improved feature. This Google Pixel 5a mobile comes with a 6.34 inches of very cute regular 60Hz refresh rate OLED display, and it is a HDR10 content certified display with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which is an old processor, but yeah, this is a octa-core processor which supports 5G. And when we talk about the 5G, this mobile comes with the actual 11 bands of 5G. This mobile might not release in India. I don't know the exact release in India, but this mobile was released in other countries like US, UK. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in two variants only. Those are 6GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256GB variants with LPDDR4X RAM types. And when we talk about the cameras here, Google Pixel mobiles are great in camera quality, even with the dual cameras, because this mobile also comes with the dual cameras right at the back side, 12 megapixels of main wide angle and 16 megapixels of ultra wide. You can also use the ultra wide angle camera as a macro camera. Yes, we can shoot up to 4K 30 fps with this mobile's back camera, and it also comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera on the right side punch hole. And when we talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a bigger battery in any Pixel mobile. That is a 4680 milliamp hour battery. Yes, and it supports unfortunately 18 watts of regular charge nowadays. And what's the biggest thing is we'll getting a charger, cable and TPU case included in the box with this mobile. So yeah, and when we talk about the other features, this mobile comes with a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, and this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 features, not the top end variants features. And this mobile comes with a metal frame and metal back at of this mobile. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in two colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below so you can directly know about the colors from there. And by the way, if you're watching this channel video until now, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, so it will give me some confidence to make more videos, So this is about the Google Pixel 5a features video. And if you want to watch more videos, if you have any video ideas, you are free to comment in the comment section down below. I'll definitely make the videos on them. So that's it for the video.